Nowadays, appearance plays an important role in all spheres of our life. Health and beauty are the desire of the absolute majority of people on the planet. The beauty industry often offers expensive, unpleasant procedures that have a short-term effect. Budiness Process Technologies company has offered an incredible alternative providing beauty and health. We would like to bring to your attention a multifunctional device that has no analogs in the market of cosmetology equipment. RF lifting, electric current effect in the radio frequency range. Massage effect caused by electric signals. Phototherapy, light effect of the certain wavelength. Fonoforeza, ultrasonic vibrations effect. Muscular mysto-stimulation. Electrostimulation of the nerve pathways. The portable Life Beauty device has a combined contact pad equipped with 4 contacts for pulses effect on different frequencies, as well as photonic emitters operating in various fixed emission spectra. When the device operates in a mode of ultrasonic and light emission generation of the different wavelength, the general massage effect of the device is enhanced that allows to get the most powerful lifting and toning of the skin, to stimulate drainage properties of the lymphatic system, to remove edema and toxins accumulated in the skin as a result of harmful environmental factors effect, to intensify cells activity, improve tissue oxygenation and microcirculation, to have calming and analgesic effect on the skin, relieve discomfort. RF lifting is one of the advanced mesotherapeutic procedures for intensive rejuvenation, facial contours and neck muscles lifting that has proved itself among cosmetologists all over the world. RF lifting can rejuvenate and refresh the skin significantly, remove shallow wrinkles, and lift the facial contours intensively in just one course of procedures. The effect of the procedure is instantly visible after the first session. The skin becomes smooth, tightened, and fresh instantly. Thanks to the device, you can now forget about care that affects only the surface skin layer. It has been known for a long time that protective layers on the skin surface play a special role in its protection from external influences, but the skin does not absorb the applied cosmetics precisely because of the protective layers. In fact, cosmetic components penetrate only into the upper layer of the epithelium. The Life Beauty device prepares the skin so that it receives maximum benefit from the skincare cosmetics using ultrasonic vibrations at a frequency of more than 20,000 Hz. Thanks to much powerful stimulation and massage, the active components of cosmetics penetrate deep into the skin, providing maximum efficiency. Phototherapy is used to reduce and eliminate defects of the epidermis, for general skin healing, for prevention of various dermatological diseases, various types of eczema and psoriasis. The device has 5 combined LED emitters, which have different effects depending on the selected color and allow you to complete and enhance the effect of procedures. The light emission of the blue spectrum affects the skin surface, helping to regulate the sebum production, to treat acne, to make the skin beautiful and healthy shining. The light emission of the blue spectrum also helps to narrow enlarged pores. The light emission of the red spectrum, penetrating the skin into a depth of 10 millimeters, intensifies the fibroblast activity. Warming up improves microcirculation, collagen synthesis, stimulates the growth of new healthy cells, reduces the depth of wrinkles, providing elasticity and smoothness of the skin. Medium wavelength light emission is perfectly appropriate for performing procedures on the forehead zone and around the eyes. The green spectrum is perfectly appropriate for combination skincare. It intensifies the cell's activity, improves the tissue oxygenation, increases microcirculation, has calming effect on the skin, and relieves discomfort. The fonoforeza is used to improve blood microcirculation, stimulate tissue metabolism, and regenerate skin cells with an ultrasonic micromassage, strengthening the muscles of the face and body. This effect provides active saturation of tissues with oxygen, lymphatic drainage effect, increasing of the conjunctive tissue elasticity, and thereby the skin rejuvenation. The ultrasound reduces edema effectively, activates tissue regeneration, and has anti-inflammatory effect. This program can be used to prevent cellulite, diseases of the musculoskeletal system, rheumatism, radiculitis, and arthritis, etc. Some diseases of the gastrointestinal tract. Some gynecological and urological diseases. Metabolic disorders, blood circulation disorders, lymph flow disorders. skin aging, prevention of scars and stretch marks. The main effect of muscular mistostimulation is strengthening of muscular tissue. At the same time, blood and lymph circulation increasing, local lipolysis, fat metabolism restoration are noticed. The pulse current effect is primarily aimed at the tone and speed of muscular response. In addition, the blood flow and outflow through the vessels are improved. Edema and fat deposits are decreased. Thus, mistostimulation helps to get a beautiful and slim body shape. Electrostimulation of nerve pathways affects the nerve endings and has a pain-relieving effect. This is achieved through high-frequency pulses and increasing release of an autogenetic endorphin relieving sensitivity to pain. Electrostimulation of nerve pathways is used in the case of back pain, especially complaints in the lumbar and cervical spinal zones. Pain in joints, for example, knee, hip, shoulder. Neuralgia, headache. Pain during menstruation in women. Pain after injuries of the musculoskeletal system, and other types of pain of different origin and localization. The model has a rather small size and weight, is portable and user-friendly. The device is equipped with a push-button control panel with a convenient choice of operating modes and effect level, a Bluetooth module for convenient programming with a large number of programs via the Webwellness system, a built-in battery, and a convenient base for recharging. Order it right now and be beautiful and healthy.